Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily test, that is, string, remove repeated alphabets. Hashtag include istdio.ho and hashtag include string.h. These are preprocessor directives to include the necessary header files. Stdio.h is for standard input-output functions, and string.h is for string-related functions. Int main, this is the entry point of the program. Execution begins from here. Char s, 1001, declares a character array s with a size of 1001, which will be used to store the input string. Scanf, %s, reads a string from the standard input and stores it in the array s. Note that %s in scanf is used to read a string until a whitespace character is encountered. Int n equals strlen, calculates the length of the string entered and stores it in the variable n using the strlen function. Int I equals 0, I less than n, I++, initiates a loop that iterates through each character of the string. If I equals \0, checks if the current character is not the null character, \0, which marks the end of a string in C. This is to ensure that the character is not already marked as removed. Char temp equals I, stores the current character in a temporary variable temp. Int f equals 0, initializes a flag f to 0. This flag is used to determine if the character is repeated or unique. Int j equals I+1, j less than n, j++, starts a nested loop to compare the current character with the rest of the characters in the string. If j equals temp, checks if the character at position j is equal to the temporary variable temp. F equals 1, sets the flag f to 1, indicating that the character is repeated. J equals \0, marks the repeated character as null, \0, effectively removing it from further consideration. If not of f, checks if the flag f is still 0, meaning the character is unique, not repeated. Printf, %c, si, prints the unique character. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.